Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out some of LiTime's brand new 48 volt 60 amp hour batteries. Easy for you to move around all by yourself. 100 amp hour 48 volt batteries are usually over 100 pounds, so it's a lot harder to move, but the 60 amp hour batteries are pretty good, and this one's built for outboard motors. This can power some serious stuff. It's got 2C discharge boost. But if you're in a hurry and just trying to get a discount right now is a really good time. The price is way down. You can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or description. You can get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at LiTime's 48 volt 60 amp hour OBM lithium iron phosphate marine battery for electric outboard motors. The LiTime 48 volt 60 amp hour OBM lithium iron phosphate battery is built for electric outboard motors, but it is a very versatile battery. You could use it for solar systems, home backups, off-grid, things like that. And it provides reliable power, extended runtime, and smart protection for OBMs, or outboard motors. Its versatile design also makes it ideal for bow thrusters and general onboard systems, offering exceptional energy efficiency and safety for all your marine adventures. Basically, this can act as your starter battery as well as your deep cycle battery. And 60 amps at 51.2 volts is a lot of battery storage. This is a perfect fit for 48 volt electric outboard motors. Enjoy reliable performance for your boat. This battery is designed for 48 volt electric outboard motors and works seamlessly with top brands like Torqeedo, ePropulsion, Yamaha, Mercury, Ray, Elco, and more. Experience excellent acceleration, efficiency, and runtime across all your boating adventures, backed by industry-leading performance. And even though this is a 60 amp hour battery, you can get 2C discharge rate. Battery delivers 120 amp actually continuously. And you can get 350 amp peak output, which is great. In a pinch, you need a little extra bit of power. Thanks to the upgraded EV grade battery cells and reinforced BMS, it can handle all that. You can get sudden acceleration, deal with waves and heavy loads without power drop-offs. It's got built-in self-developed 120 amp BMS. The system offers 20 plus layers of smart protection against overcharging, over-discharging, overheating, and more. Smart activation and precision safeguards ensure peace of mind on every single trip. And this baby's built for endurance. It's equipped with 3,072 watt hours of usable energy, and it powers a 6,000 watt motor for 30 minutes or a 3,000 watt motor for 1 hour at full throttle. It's ideal for extended trips, fishing tournaments, and high-performance cruising. And if you're good with DIY, you can get a solar panel charging this baby up on your adventures at the same time. These are premium EV-grade battery cells crafted with EV-grade LFP battery cells. The battery achieves 4,000 cycles at 100% depth of discharge, and up to 15,000 cycles at partial discharge. Basically meaning you can charge and discharge this thing over 15,000 times, which is like 20 years or so. This battery's gonna last a very, very long time for you. And that built-in battery management system is gonna keep you from making any mistakes. It's gonna cut that lifetime short. Such a diverse battery. Use it for your golf cart, electric outboard motors, daily power needs, off-grid systems, RVs, overlanders, so many different great setups you can get this into. And the price right now is huge discount, and you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments. You can get over here, get a good deal, support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And don't worry, you can subscribe to my channel 100% for free, learn more about this technology, and stay updated on all the newest deals and new releases. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over here to hear about the news.